When you open Filmora, this is the page that comes up. We're going to have a quick look at what these are. Currently, I'm using the newest version of Filmora, which is Filmora 11. But if you have the older versions, Filmora 10 or 9, most of these capabilities that we will learn in this course are there. It's just that once you update to the newest version, you're going to get less bugs and you're going to get more tools. So I highly recommend that you guys update your Filmora and keep it up to date so you can get the best out of this program. All right, so what you see here is our library. This is the first thing that pops up. Let's have a look and see what these things are. So this is where you would create your project. This is a tab that we are in right now. Over here, you would choose your aspect ratio. If you want it for Instagram, 9:16 for portrait and others. The default would be 16:9, which is the landscape shot. It's the same ratio that you would use for videos, unless you're going for something special, like for Instagram. But down here, we have some cool stuff, which we'll get into later. But we have auto reframe, auto beat sync, PC screen, and AI portrait. All are very exciting stuff. Down here is the local projects, which are the projects you've made on your computer. Currently, we don't have any. We have instant projects, which is basically where you would take your footage and put them into templates to quickly get the work done. So the stuff you create in instant mode are going to show up here. This is great because they're separate, and the projects that you spend more time on and add your own personalized stuff are going to show up in this tab, and the stuff that you just want to quickly edit and give out will be in this tab. We have cloud projects. This is another cool thing about this version, is that your projects can be synced to cloud. So you would have extra space and you can just have your projects and videos in a secure place. You can search for a certain project, you can undo, and you can change the layout of your project. So if you have projects here, you can change the way you see them, the grid. This is instant mode, where you can see we have some presets. You can just bring in a bunch of your videos, and all of these sliders and text are going to be there. All you have to do is to put your own videos and just change the text if you want. So you would be saving a lot of time if you just use one of these. We have for business, education, family, vlog, so much more. And you can have a preview and use them. Then finally, we have Creator Academy. This is where you would learn about the stuff Filmora has. So for example, speed ramping, new effect plugins, mask, create a funny baby laser meme video, stuff like this. So if you were trying to get new ideas on how to edit your footage, you can come here and learn how to do these really cool things. All right, so let's go ahead and just jump into a project. Up here, we have the cloud management. This is your account. This is your upgrade. If you want to upgrade to the latest version, support center and online help, and then that's just the exit button. Okay, now that we learned about the opening interface, let's create our first project and learn about the editing workspace, where we have different tabs, and this is where all of your editing will happen. So I'll see you guys in the next lesson, where we will learn about this workspace.